Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by warming the laminated edge to loosen the adhesive. Aim for 120-150 degrees with a heat gun on low. Move the gun constantly to avoid paint damage. Keep it 4-6 inches away and use short bursts. Once the glue softens, begin lifting with a plastic scraper at a shallow angle so you don't gouge the clear coat. Make sure to wear gloves and have adhesive remover ready. If the edge resists, reheat briefly rather than forcing, because controlled heat prevents chips and keeps the paint intact. Once you've got a corner lifted, peel slowly and steadily, keeping the film close to the surface at a low angle. Reheat every 6-10 inches to keep the adhesive pliable. That reduces tugging and paint stress. When residue remains, apply a small amount of adhesive remover and wait 2-5 minutes so it dissolves the glue, then wipe with a microfiber cloth in one direction. For spots that stay, use a nylon scrubbing pad or dental pick gently. Avoid metal tools, which can scratch the tank. After adhesive removal, wash the tank with mild soap and water, dry thoroughly, and inspect the clear coat. If you see light haze or micro scratches, use a rubbing compound followed by a fine polish to restore gloss. Work in small sections and buff with a clean microfiber. Finish with wax or a ceramic sealant to protect the repaired area. If any paint lifts or you notice bubbling, stop immediately. Keep the area covered and consult a professional to prevent worsening. This is the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.